Hi there, thanks for joining me. What we've got here is the 2013 Wont series BMW, and we've got the brake warning light coming on. We've got the little yellow symbol at the top and the service light coming on the dashboard. Now, what happened was the brake pads at the back wore down and it went onto the sensors. So I replaced the brake pads, but without the sensor. It didn't have a sensor. Normally, I say normally, back in the day, you used to be able to get the brake wear sensor, 2 wires going to it, you just twist them together, it put the light out, happy days. Didn't work on this. It's got a bit of clever trickery going on. So I've bought a new sensor, and let's show you what I'm on about. So straight up, we've got the warning light, and that like the one where your handbrake comes on, that just doesn't go off. And if we start the car up, let the handbrake off, it stays on. So let's just run a quick scan on the car. Okay, and it's coming straight out with engine control and anti-lock braking system. If I just click on that, DSC brake pad wear, brake pads rear axle. So actually stored in the memory of the ECU of the car, it's got this brake pad worn issue. The fault code of that is 5DE3. So I've got a new sensor. Where does it go? Let's have a look. So the sensor is connected from the brake pad. It comes up, it comes across, round the back, behind this wheel liner. So we've got a 10mm plastic nut there, and then some 8mm ones around the side. So let's go and get some tools and get those off. Okay. Yeah, there we go. We can now see what we want to see, which is what I've done. So the original sensor here is in this. This has got the ABS sensor going down to the ABS on the grey plug. We're on the white plug for the brake pad wear sensor. I'll just pull that out of its casing like that. And then we can just press the little tab on the side and disconnect it. Oh, it's tight. There it goes. So that's out like that. So that just then clips in to the brake pad there. We then bring that round underneath the arm. We release these little clips here. We're going down and round the back. Down and round the back there, yeah, that's it. We've got a couple of clips. We've got one clip there and one clip there. And that's going to feed up. We'll connect that in now. We'll get it the right way around. There it goes, and then that clips that into there. And we can feed all this nicely back into its hole. Got some wires going up, both of them out the top. They're then coming down. I want to make sure that's not rubbing on anything. There we go. Good as gold. So straight on the head screen there, we go into services, brake reset. Okay. So what we're looking for on here is CBS reset. So into the service function and then find brake reset and then CBS reset, and we're just going to give that a tap. Condition-based servicing conditions were met. It just shows you all of the different functions there. We just got to pick the right one. Front brakes, rear brakes. So we're going to tap rear brakes, F3. It bings up on the dashboard, then goes off. That's now reset, and if we let the handbrake off, the light goes out. Yes! I'll press the little tab and unplug it. I thought, oh no, I'll just join the two wires together for a temporary thing. It'll put the light out, continue to use the car without the annoying bing bonging going on. So all of those other online, all those other functions where they were saying you can just reconnect a new sensor. If that sensor's worn out and worn down to the metal, you can't reset it without a tool. You need a tool to do it. I tried all the other ways, none of them worked. Using the tool was the only way. Job done. We can now exit this. Service function finished. Continue. You can go back out of that. End the session. Bingo. You can't just clear the DTC code. It won't allow you to do it. You have to reset the system. If that's been of use, then drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.